Hey, so if Audacity is not opening on Windows, yeah, like you click the app and nothing happens or it crashes instantly, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to restart your computer. I mean, sometimes Windows just has a temporary glitch that blocks apps from opening. Next, yeah, right-click Audacity and run it as administrator. This fixes permission-related launch issues. Now, open Task Manager and make sure Audacity isn't already running in the background. Yeah, sometimes antivirus software blocks Audacity from opening. Try disabling it briefly to test. Now, make sure you're using the latest version of Audacity. Older versions may fail to launch on Windows 11. Yeah, missing installation files can stop Audacity from opening. Reinstalling usually fixes this. Now, outdated Windows files can also block app startup. Installing updates can resolve compatibility issues. Yeah, corrupted settings can prevent Audacity from launching. Resetting it can fix startup problems. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Audacity. This gives you a clean, fresh setup and fixes broken files. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity not opening on Windows. Most of the time, it's permissions, corrupted files, or background conflicts. Try these steps and Audacity should open normally again. Thanks for watching.